A 3 by 3 grid is filled with integers so that every row and every column has the same sum. The top row is -2, 9, 5. The middle row ends in -1, with 2 entries missing. The bottom row is x, a missing number, and 8, where x is the lower left corner. 4 entries are missing. We are told that x is larger than the other 3 missing numbers. What is the smallest possible value of x? The choices are -1, 5, 6, 8, and 9. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Start with the top row. Since all 3 of its entries are known, -2 plus 9 plus 5 equals 12. Because every row and every column shares the same sum, that common sum must be 12. Now name the 4 missing numbers. Call the middle left entry P, the middle center entry Q, and the bottom center entry R. The bottom left entry is x. Look at column 1. -2 plus P plus x equals 12. So P equals 14 minus x. Look at the bottom row. X plus R plus 8 equals 12. So R equals 4 minus x. And the middle row, P plus Q minus 1 equals 12. So Q equals 13 minus P, which is x minus 1. Now use the key condition. X must be larger than all 3 of P, Q, and R. Compare x with P. We need x greater than 14 minus x. Adding x to both sides gives 2x greater than 14. So x is greater than 7. The other 2 conditions, x greater than x minus 1 and x greater than 4 minus x, hold automatically once x is greater than 7. Since x is an integer greater than 7, the smallest possible value is 8. That gives P equals 6, Q equals 7, and R equals -4. And indeed 8 beats all of them. So the smallest possible value of x is 8, which is answer choice D.